Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Samsung TV keeps turning off by itself. Now, the first thing you should look at is if you have your TV connected to like one of these power strips or something like that, try directly connecting it to the wall. These might be accidentally turning off your TV because it's not getting enough power. Now, another thing that you can look at is your remote. Is your remote causing your TV to turn off? Maybe the buttons are pressed down in some way. So what we want to do is remove the batteries, just like this. And once you have the batteries removed, just go up and down the remote and press in the buttons. So probably want to start with the power button and just press this in and just go up and down and do this like 5 to 10 times. Just press in every button and then turn this around and smack it a little bit, just in case something is just stuck. So now that I know my remote isn't causing the issue, I could try turning on my TV also with the batteries out. I could try turning on my TV with the button right here. So right under the bottom right, there's a little button. You can turn on the TV with it. Try turning on without the remote batteries plugged in. And if it's working, there could be an issue with your remote causing it. Maybe one button is still pressed in. Now another thing to try is if you go to your Wi-Fi, try disconnecting your home Wi-Fi. Maybe a connected device like a phone or something is causing an issue where you have an app or something on it, or a connected device is turning off your TV. So try disconnecting the Wi-Fi at your house and just using your TV. Maybe that's causing the issue. Now we have those things taken care of. Let's go over to settings under here. Just go to settings. And there's some power options that might be doing this too, that automatically turn it off. So let's go on down to general, power and energy. We could try turning off anything with energy saver, like this one. Then auto power saving, we can turn that off. This says when connected to Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi signal and remote connect, whatever. If no movement is detected, it's going to automatically turn off your TV. So just turn that off. You can try turning off power off too, but I have mine set to 4 hours sleep timer. Then off timer. Maybe you have something set up where 10 o'clock every night it turns off or something like that. You can try turning that off. And then we can go through this menu. There's one more. External device manager. You can try turning off HDMI-CEC. If you have like a connected device with HDMI somewhere on your TV, a PlayStation, a soundbar, a speaker, or something like that, if you turn off or on that device, it could be turning off or on your TV. So you could try just disabling this just to see if it fixes your problem. Not sure if it will or not. Then also just check for an update on your TV. We can go back and we can actually factory reset our TV if it still is having an issue just there under general privacy. But just go to device care and just look for an update. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.